What's poppin', everybody? It's Mike with the Everything and More Store Show. And today, what I wanted to do was talk to you guys about algorithm and how it can favor you if you're in good standing with eBay and your seller standard is in a good position. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so this is how it works, right? Let's say you just start out eBay, you never sold anything before a day in your life on eBay, you open up an account. From the jump, they're not going to let you promote your listing. You have to be a top rated seller for that, right? So, once you do that, list your item. Let's just say you list a roll of tape, whatever you're listing, anything under the sun, you go ahead and list it. So once you list that item and then you basically put your posting up or whatever, you're not gonna be favored because you're new and you haven't been in a position to earn that position with them. So let's just say, for example, you go ahead and open up and sell an item. That if you just leave one item on there, you might just sit there for 6 months with that same item. Like, I'll give you an example. So I'd opened up a different eBay account and I listed a cologne, and that particular cologne I got zero views on, and it's been like a week. Now, the same cologne on a different eBay account with the top rated seller standing, I'm getting view after view. So that just goes to show. Now, this is without promoting your listings. Now, even if you don't promote your listings and you're a top rated seller and you post all the time, the algorithm is going to favor you, right? So it's going to put you in a higher standing. It's going to optimize you at a higher ranking than Bob, that's just whoever, it's his first time listing any type of item. You know what I'm saying? So with that being the case, uh, you're going to want to, number one, get your account in good standing with them. Not just good standing and just opening an account and have no problems. Good standing is open up the account, sell some things, ship some things on time, that type of stuff, right? So once you do that, you're in a good position. Once you get top rated seller status, then you can promote your listings. If you lose top rated seller status, they're not going to let you, if your seller standard goes below average or whatever, you're not going to be able to promote your listings, right? Now, this is an important thing because if you have a million, I don't know the exact number, but if you have a million people selling on eBay and everyone's promoting their listings, or even let's just say 900,000 of them are promoting your listings, do you think that no, you're going to be in a bad position? You, along with the rest of the people who just started, are going to be in the 10 percentile. So, meaning that you're not going to have the best odds, you're not going to have the best favor going in your way. You get what I'm saying? So they might have 10 items before yours or even more, 2, 3 pages back. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? So now, once you do get top rated seller status and then you promote your listing, that's when the game changes. Now it's a game changer because now you're on the top ranking, right? Now you're in a competitive position. You're not, collegiate anymore. You're in the NFL at this point. You get what I'm saying? So anyway, if you do certain things like don't ship on time a certain amount of times or a certain amount of percentage of times, if you get enough open cases that are not resolved, believe it or not, feedback doesn't affect your seller performance. You can have 100 negative feedback, as long as you don't have open cases, as long as you ship on time, as long as you're doing what you're supposed to do in regards to eBay, it doesn't affect your seller standard. You can still be a top rated seller. Okay, so keep that in mind. Not saying that you want to get good feedback, but that's something to keep in mind. You don't want to be in a position where you're getting bad feedback, because people are going to look at that. But even if they did, it doesn't affect your seller standard. You can still promote your listings and do all the things that a top rated seller could do. Okay, and you get a discount fee and all that. So if you go below seller standard by doing this type of thing, what they're going to do is they're not going to let you promote your listing. And even the listings that are not promoted, they're going to go below the other listings that are not promoted from the people who are in good standing with eBay, right? So with that being the case, keep on top of your stuff, man. Don't get lazy. Ship on time. If you have a 3-day handling time, do it within 3 days. Don't wait till the last minute. Respond to all the claims. If you have a claim, respond to it immediately if you can. Sometimes you can't do it immediately. Do it within the time frame they give you. But it's best to do it immediately. And before, what I used to do is just try to basically pay hard to get with the returns. At this point, I'm actually just thinking about accepting returns, or putting that I don't accept returns and I'll just accept them if they file the claim. Just because when you're putting out volume, it doesn't matter. Every now and then you would get a $20 item return. It's whatever. You know what I'm saying? You don't have that. It's not that serious of a thing to where you got to lose your seller ranking for something so minute. So, point being, get your account set up, sell items, sell a certain amount of items in a certain amount of time. I want to say it's like 112 months. I don't know the exact number, but I want to say it's that. Get your items popping, get everything popping. Once you got that popping, then okay, bam, you can double back, get top rated seller status. Once you get top rated seller status, you can double back and promote your listing. You promote your listing, it's more sales, it's more money. eBay's getting more money, you're getting more money, everybody's booming. You get what I'm saying? So yes, they have their ways. I've already made plenty of videos about that, out of frustrations and all that stuff. But the fact of the matter is that if this is the platform that you're going to sell on, you're going to want to do it how you're supposed to do it for the time that you're doing it. Okay. So anyway, I hope this video was somehow beneficial to you. If it was, please comment, like, and subscribe. For all you people who watch and don't subscribe, I'm glad I could be some sort of muse for you. But subscribe, bro. It doesn't hurt you to hit the subscribe button and every now and then click the thumbs up. If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, then you probably ain't get this far in the video. You know what I'm saying? We understand we about 4 minutes and 50 seconds in. So, but if you're this far and you like it, hit the subscribe button, man. I got a lot of jewels for you. I can share whatever information that I have. I'm not saying I know everything, but I know a decent amount of stuff about eBay that could possibly be beneficial to you. Or, you never know. Seeing the world through a different set of glasses is always beneficial, even if it's the same terrain and scenery that you're looking at. You get what I'm saying? So anyway, I hope this video is beneficial. As I said, please comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate you watching. Y'all have a great night. Salute, and I'm out.